everybody, welcome to Vlogmas number 2. Alright, so today we're going to have some fun with Pandora, DOONEY and BURKE, and some candles. So let's go ahead and get into Vlogmas number 2. Alright, so let's start with the advent calendar. This is Arisa's one. Not cute? Alright, so we're on number 2. Alright, we got the same style. So I'll give that one to Ted. He'll appreciate that. Alright, let's look at advent calendar number 2. That I put together in a little box here from the Dollar Tree. And it looks like that. And I used Pandora tissue paper for the wrapping. So it worked out pretty good. Alright, we got number 2. Alright, let's see what we got for day number 2. I hope your holiday is working out pretty good. Mine's not too bad. We don't, like I said, we don't really celebrate that much because we just normally just get stuff and say, oh, it's for Christmas, for anniversary, this for my birthday, this for your birthday, you know. So, but we have a few little odds and ends that we like to put together. All right, so this is number 2. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, cool. All right, this is Pandora, and this is a cleaning cloth. All right, looks like that. Pretty good size. I've been testing it out to see if it actually works, because some don't, which is kind of a shame. But this one works out pretty good. As you can see, it gets off all the tarnish off of the silver charms. So you can buy this online or you can buy it from the store. And if you're gonna buy it in the store, just make sure that you ask them for the silver cleaning cloth, because they also have gold as well. All right, and it comes in a little package like that. And then I brought down my pretty cool travel size Pandora Jewelry. It's a pretty good size. This has a wristlet with a little leaf on it. And on the back, it has a little leaf as well. And inside is pretty nice. It comes with all these ring holders here, or you can put other stuff in there as well. And then you put your bracelet there and then clip it in so it doesn't fall out. And then it also comes with this really cool little pouch. And this is magnetized basically. And you just put your little charms in there and it's real super easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wristlet back in, and I'm going to put my Pandora cleaning cloth in there as well. And then when we go to the lake or whatever and I want to bring my Pandora jewelry, I'll just stick it in here and away I go. So it makes it super convenient that way. Alright, so that is number 2 for the advent calendars. And I did get this really cool candle. I'm not really a candle person, but I did get this rainforest gardenia. It smells really super good. I got this at Bath and Body Works. They're having a special. So definitely check them out. And it lasts for a long time. It has 3 wicks. And I didn't really think it was going to really smell that great. But then when I'm burning it, it really helps with the dust and, you know, everything in Canada. It's always raining, snow, sleet, windy, power goes out, you freeze to death, you know, it's all that fun stuff. So this candle is really super nice, and they make great gifts, and they don't break the bank. So that's another little gift idea for you. And I did have a question on my Dooney and BURKE 50th anniversary crossbody, how big it was. It's not very big. I did think that it was bigger than this, but it really isn't. And it comes with the little luggage tag with the 50th on it. It's kind of cool. So let me go ahead and measure it out for you. The strap is nice. You can adjust it. And you can put other straps on it too. You know, that All About straps, that strap that I got custom made. That would look actually pretty good on this as well, but you can just make several adjustments. There's one there, there's one there, and it's pretty good size. So if you are interested in the All About straps, she's still running the 10% off, so make sure that you let them know that you're a subscriber to Srstyle, and you'll get 10% off, and she'll custom make a strap, any size, any material, any hardware. She's pretty amazing, actually. All right. And the strap that I bought was not a gift. I purchased that strap, so I'm definitely not being sponsored, but she was nice enough to give any of the subscribers on my channel 10% off, so that was really nice. I appreciate her doing that. All right, so let's go ahead and measure. The width is 8 inches, which isn't very big. It does hold a little bit more than I thought, but I didn't realize that this bag was this small. But it's still okay. Okay, it's about 5.5-ish from the bottom to the zipper, which is right here. And it does have a nice zipper, and the inside is pretty cool too. It's all purple, and it does have a couple little slots so you can put your stuff in. So I got my glasses. I use this trio by Smorga for my cards. It holds a lot of cards, so this is a great alternative. I do have a small compact villain swatch. Wallet, not watch. What am I trying to say? This is a Disney villain compact wallet, and I got this from Florida, from the personal shopper at the Disney Character Warehouse. But I think she got this from Hot Topic. I don't think this came from the Character Warehouse. So that's pretty cool. This fits in a lot of bags, and it's washable, especially in this pandemic with all the sanitizing stuff. I'm scared to use any of the Vachetta bags because I have a bad feeling that they're gonna get ruined, and they're just too expensive to get ruined. So I've been using my Disney Dooney bags, and I have my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and that looks pretty cool. I'll put it over my Chanel with no name. Oh, funny story about the Chanel lipstick with no name. I talked to my SA, Natasha, and I showed her the packaging. I showed her the lipsticks that are limited edition, and then just the regular lipsticks, and it came with the Chance perfume. And I asked her, I said, why does the Chanel lipstick have no name? There's no, all it says is Chanel. It doesn't give the name of the lipstick. So if you do want to repurchase, you'll know what you're trying to find. And it's been about 3 or 4 months since I asked that question, and she still can't answer it. So if anybody can answer that question about Chanel, that would be really helpful, because I'd like to repurchase the color. I really like the color, but I have no idea what the name is. And even somebody that works for Chanel can't give me the answer. So I don't know. So we'll see. All right, I got some paper. My Autobox Defender case is on my iPhone XR, which is a pretty big phone. I have my Louis perfume in the travel size. This is a must-have if you're wanting to travel or just have a purse spray. I highly recommend these. These are really affordable. They make super great gifts. And basically, all you do is, first of all, you get the travel complete kit, and it comes with the sprayer. Then you get 4 of these with this. You take each one out. There's a little hole there in the front. You pop it in, you screw it in, and you stick it in your purse. And it's super durable. This is all like a heavy plastic, but I've dropped it and there hasn't been like any problems. There's a little scratching because it did hit the pavement, but it didn't break or anything, so I was really surprised. But yeah, I would highly recommend any travel kit, anything like that. And I also have my MAC powder lipstick. And let me see what color this one is. Gotta get my glasses. This is 922. Work, work, work. I guess that's all I do is work. And let's see what it looks like. It's a pretty cool color actually, but it's a powder style. And it's kind of matte, but it wouldn't be something that I would wear like all the time, but it's kind of nice to have like a variety of lipsticks. And then it also comes with this little key. They call this a dog leash, but it's for your keys or whatever you want to put it on there, basically. And that's what the bag looks like inside. So it is a good alternative. It's very light, even with stuff in it. But if you just want to carry a few items, it's a great travel bag. Anything like that, but it's not, like I said, it's not very big. But these are in the Character Warehouse. These retail for about $300 US, and this one was half price. And it's the 50th anniversary of the Haunted Mansion. Alright, so that is Vlogmas number 2. So if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, because when I reach 500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and it's going to be fabulous. So make sure you do that. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle, from a senior point of view. See you tomorrow. Vlogmas number 3. See ya. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.